Navigating workplace communication. Understanding, as per my last email. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in workplace emails, as per my last email. This phrase is often used in professional settings, but it can sometimes lead to misunderstandings, especially among English language learners. We'll explore its meaning, when to use it, and some polite alternatives to keep your communication clear and respectful. Let's get started. As per my last email, is a phrase used to refer back to information provided in previous correspondence. It serves as a gentle reminder that the answer or information the recipient is seeking has already been addressed. However, it's important to note that this phrase can carry a subtext of frustration or impatience, suggesting that the recipient has overlooked or forgotten what was previously communicated. Using "as per my last email" can be tricky. It's most appropriately used in situations where reiterating previously shared information is necessary. However, to avoid sounding harsh or condescending, it's crucial to contextualize the phrase within a polite and helpful message. For instance, as per my last email, I mentioned that the deadline for submissions is next Monday. Let me know if you need further clarification or assistance. This approach acknowledges the previous communication while offering support, maintaining a positive tone. If you're concerned about the potential negative connotations of "as per my last email," there are several politer alternatives you can use. For example, to reiterate the information from my previous email, following up on my last message. As mentioned before, these alternatives convey the same message but with a softer tone, reducing the risk of misunderstandings or negative feelings. Understanding and effectively using the phrase, "as per my last email," can greatly improve your workplace communication, especially in email correspondence. Remember, the key is to always aim for clarity and respect in your interactions. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into navigating workplace communication more effectively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.